Hey, how's it going? This is Fred Levi, VP of Sales here to Improve My Score. And in this video, what I wanted to do is I wanted to talk to you guys about a new division that we're coming out with in regards to financial services. We wanted to be able to bring this and roll it out to you guys to let you know exactly what we're working on. So this video is geared specifically for those who are having problems with trying to get their finances in order. Uh, what we're going to be doing here to Improve My Score is we're going to open up a new division. And basically with this division, what we're going to be doing is we're going to help you focus in on your financing and help you get back into financial order. And what does that mean? What we're going to do is we're going to help you guys get back into the swing of things as far as keeping on top of your bills, keeping on top of when bills are due, a budget, if you will, and putting together a financial plan for you guys to try to help you guys get into the swing of things. We want to teach you guys the proper ways of budgeting. We want to show you guys, one, how to save, whether it's for a home, a car, or for your future. You know, you have short-term, long-term goals. We want to be able to teach you guys that. So this video is just to let you guys know that this is a new series of systems that we have coming out. 2019 is going to be a complete game changer because we want to take our clients to the next level, both with their credit and after their credit, we want to make sure that their financial house is in order. And it all starts with credit, but these two services are going to combine and put you guys over the top. So with that being said, I just wanted to bring this video to you guys to let you know that we are working with you guys in mind. We want to make sure that we're able to help you guys get into the financial place, the financial house that you guys have been looking to try to get to. But it all starts somewhere. You need a roadmap, and a lot of times we don't know where to start. We don't know where to begin. And with this system, what we're going to do is we're going to bring that to you. We want to help show you guys, help educate you guys so you can make informed decisions in regards to your income and where that money is allocated to, whether it be to your needs, your wants, and your savings, both long and short term. So we want to put together these goals for you guys and help you guys achieve those goals. And with that being said, you know, if you guys are interested in getting started with our financial coaching services, please reach out to us. We'd love to be able to give you guys more information on how the system works and how we feel that it could benefit you guys in regards to your whole financial situation. So with that being said, like I said, in all my other videos, if you guys like the information, please smash that thumbs button. Share the information with anybody you feel might benefit from this information, which is all your buddies, all your friends, all your colleagues, co-workers, everybody that you know needs this information because this information is imperative to being successful with your finances. Subscribe to the channel, guys. You know, we always ask that you subscribe to the channel because we will give information periodically and sporadically throughout the days, the weeks, the years to come, and hit that bell notification. When you hit the bell notification, you'll be notified every time we upload a video to YouTube. So with that being said, I want to thank you guys for taking a few minutes out of your time to watch this video, listen to the things I had to say, and like I say, our goal is to get you into a better financial situation. So with that being said, again, just want to say thank you for supporting the channel, supporting the company, and supporting me. You guys have a great day.